All right, it's Tuesday. I'm the JakeOfALL, and I've got a new tool for you. Don't know why I said tool that way, but okay. So we have the Knipex forged 8-inch wire stripper. This is what they look like, and you know, it's Kuh-nip-X. Let's say it together. Okay, what do we get? Well, we get a various amount of stripping, right? You gotta like that. You can see here, we get zoomed in. So 20, 18, 16, 14, 12 gauge. We've got cutters. We've got jawed teeth. We got some teeth here, right? You even have a little round for grabbing onto a bolt. You've got two cutters, thumb lock to hold them. You can see here, it's a pretty good sized jaw for cutting. You can actually cut, I think up to 1/2 inch, it says. That's with the wire. Here you go, here's a piece of 10 gauge. No problem. And look, you can even use it to strip something like that. Or something like that. No problem. And you can see, grabs on pretty well. It's a little hard when they're that short. And you can even cut a screw. Not bad. So they are, again, the Knipex. They're the 13/72/8 SAB 8-inch forged wire strippers. There you go. There's another look. 13/72/8. Really like this mechanism. They feel good. That's the nice thing about Knipex, right? So these are forged, which means they weren't cast into this shape. They were pressed into this shape, which makes them stronger. This is a serious thumb screw. They feel good. Good spring return, as you can see. They were sharp, and that's some good jaws on it. So yeah, definitely a good pair of pliers. I would give them a thumbs up, and as always, make sure you say it right. Knipex. I'm the JakeOfALL. Thanks for watching this Tool Tuesday, and if you have any questions, comment below, and I should be able to give you a link for this one too. Have a good one. See ya.